Hi, Mr. Hoggins. My inquiry question and my project has changed of perspective. First, I really wanted to do Mexico City and air quality control, but ended up realizing that there's more emotional value to me and more interest personally in engaging into this project better, and that is the perspective of water. So I want to change region and resource perspective, which is water quality, and in this region, desertic regions, as in Sonora, and the effects of water between Mexico and the U.S. because we both, Sonora and Arizona, we both share the same the weather characteristics, but we have such a different culture and government, so we can see what are the effects of the culture itself on sustainability and how we can achieve those problems through the management of culture, not of culture, but the management of the inquiry on the culture. Also, I want to be more technical about my project, so I want to use, since I want to be involved with ASU's extreme weather research. I had it here. Extreme Global Sustainability UREX Sustainability Research Network, where we have a lot of information about different cities, their characteristics. We have different data that I can base my starting point on, and then I can use the help of Mr. Agustin Robles from Itson and Obregon, who he is doing research. And there's a lot of information that I can rely on. So my main research questions will be, how can Mexico, what are the challenges and benefits of maintaining water quality on extreme weathers? And I want to use it looks the other way around. So we have our y here, which is our dependent variable, and this is our stakeholders and solvers. So what I mean here is I want to use these independent variables in order to develop a solution or like a perspective on how we can solve or how we can manage the water quality on extreme weathers, and also what are the benefits of good water use quality in socioeconomic systems. I really like this perspective better because I can really find information easier, and also I can focus my research in places that I really know personally, so I can grow more as a student, knowing what solutions or understanding more the problems that we face as a society in places that we decided to build our cities like this one, but we have the like different challenges, and I want to focus more my perspective on the resource that is very important into our living, but also very basic for nature. Also, I want to close with the use of more quantitative research methods. I want to use data. I've been checking the web pages from the researchers and the extreme weather web page, and I found a lot of information that can really drive me to a conclusion, or a solid conclusion, and a solid explanation about my inquiry, and develop a logical argument about how we can solve this. Thank you very much.